Hey everyone, I am ExitSign250. Welcome to the boards episode 3, and I'm joined by...
Hey everyone, Merry Christmas. It's S.E.R. Safety.
Yep, I got S.E.R. Safety on, and we're going to do a little Christmas special. So, as you can... yeah, as you can see, I got some lights around the boards, and of course around my room too. And, yeah, I think it looks pretty neat. So I chose some... notification appliances that are kind of fitting, so let's jump right into it. So on the MS9200 UDLS system, we have the Faraday chevron, not really Christmassy, but it looks pretty neat. And then of course the Firelight BG12LX addressable pull station, the panel, and the two monitor modules. For the notification appliances, we have the Wheelock bell on a strobe plate, and kind of chose a bell because, you know, Jingle Bell. And yeah, so there it is. And I have the panel set on March time, so the bell will be doing March time. To the right of it, we have the Cerberus Pyrotronics MTL horn strobe, and actually I only have the strobe connected since I really only want this bell to be going off. But yeah, so there you have it. And I think the bell strobe is like 0.5 candela. It's actually a Wheelock 7002T strobe, fun fact. And then I think this MTL is maybe 15 candela fixed. For the smoke detectors, we have the Edwards one. Forget the model off the top of my head, but it's ionization. And then, of course, the system sensor, or it's Firelight SD355 addressable smoke detector. Moving right along to the MS5ED, we have something new. This is an ADT 5050 pulse station. It's really just a rebrand of the ESL ones, but they're practically the same. It just says ADT on it. So there you go. And then beside of that, we have the Simplex 4251-20. Put that there because a lot of people say these are just knockoffs of that, just how the mechanics work, and well, you'll see it a bit later. The annunciator and the Simplex key switch. And above it, I don't have bells, but I actually have chime strobes. So first right here, we have an EST Genesis chime strobe set to 30 candela. 30 candela. And beside of it, we have a System Sensor Spectral Classic chime strobe, and not a lot of people know I have this. It's kind of uncommon. It's mounted in a weird way since I've misplaced the bracket, but it'll work. And then for the smoke detector right here, we have the System Sensor 2400TH, smoke and heat. And up here, I have a ceiling mount notification appliance that actually S.E.R. Safety gave to me a little while ago. Thanks for that. And
Yeah, no problem.
And it's a EST Integrity chime strobe, which those are, I would say, pretty uncommon to rare. Yes, I know it's wall mount, but it'll be okay in this video. You know, it's not really a life safety system. And it's mounted strange, but it'll work out in this video. So there you go. Well, that's everything, and I guess we can get to pulling. So what do you think we should activate?
Definitely the Firelight BG12LX.
Of course. Okay, so here we go. So I forgot to mention this too. For this test, I have both these panels independent, so when I activate this system, it will only stay active and it won't trip this panel, and vice versa. Anyway, all right, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Jingle bell.
Whew. Yeah, Jingle Bell.
I do not think I've ever heard a system that has ever sounded like that before.
Yeah. There you go, audible silence, and they're not in sync. And there's the BG12LX. So should we realarm or reset?
Let's realarm.
What do you want to do?
Are you gonna activate smoke detectors today, or?
Yeah, I can. I can go get some smoke saber if you want me to. Okay, so let's do the Edwards one with some smoke saber. This one takes a minute.
Smoke saber looks so cool when you flip it out.
It does. There we go. alarm silenced. Yeah, smoke saber is pretty cool. So, there we go. And I guess we'll activate this system with the chimes. I'll pull the ADT station. And by the way, none of these are in sync. So, 3, 2, 1. Silence with the A and an 80. And yeah, there we go. Well, let me pull the chevron and then we'll pull the T-bar and have both of these go off. So let's do it. There we go. Well, let me go ahead and reset some of the pull stations that I can. Oop, wrong key. EG12LX. And this ADT one actually takes a simplex key too. Oh, you can see the keys in the same spot. And resetting's pretty similar. This one's just all plastic though. But you know, it's still pretty cool. I like it. And reset this T-bar. Pretty similar. Go ahead and reset. There we go. And hopefully this detector is cleared by now, so we'll go ahead and reset the 9200 UDLS. And we'll reset the, oops, the MS5ED. There we go. And we'll let those reset. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little Christmas special and the lights and the bells. I also want to give a big thanks to S.E.R Safety for joining and had some fun.
Yeah, that's no problem. If you like learning about life safety equipment, definitely subscribe to ExitSign250 here. And Merry Christmas.
Yep, and make sure to check Grant out too. He makes some very cool content as well.
You don't have to.
I gotta shout that out. Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in another video.
See ya.
Okay.